Hi! Today we're gonna be unboxing the One Piece Wanokuni Chokorin Mascot figures, and these are my first ever One Piece figures. I had started watching One Piece last year in September, and I'm currently on Big Mom arc, so I haven't even reached Wanokuni yet, and it's around episode 805 that I'm on right now, and I'm usually faster with catching up, but these last 2 months I've just been super slow because the last few arcs were very slow, and then the Big Mom arc is a little bit slow as well, so I definitely need to do better in catching up. But I really wanted to own some One Piece merch in my room, so I had ordered these off of Amazon, and I believe they're sold out now, but I'm excited to see what's inside, so let's get them open together. I'll show you guys around the box first, and for those who are curious, my favorite character is Frankie, but Frankie's not a part of this set. They're all very cute though, and honestly all the One Piece characters are pretty good, so I love all of them. I apologize if you guys can hear the screaming children downstairs. That's coming from my basement. But anyways, there's 6 individual boxes, and this is how they look once it's opened. I feel like out of all of these figures, Zoro is probably my favorite one, and Luffy is really cute too. And I like Law as well. Honestly, they're all very cute, but I think these two are probably my favorite. Starting off strong, we have Law, and I freaking love every time Law speaks. If you know, you know, but he is just so cool. Guys, why is this adhesive so strong? Like, it's not meant for me to open. Hello? Oh my god, I'm like pulling at full strength here. Am I just weak, or oh my god, it's freaking Zoro. The detail is so good on these figures. And tell me why I just fell in love with Zoro so much more after the time skip. Like, was it the thick neck or what happened? Y'all, this is not okay. Sanji! Fun fact, but Sanji was actually my favorite character up until Frankie appeared. But I think I did like pre-time skip Sanji more, just because he became such a simp after. Oh my god, I'm gonna get like all the One Piece haters in my comments. I still love Sanji, for the record. I think he's great, but I did like him more pre-time skip. The boxes aren't even boxing anymore. They're just opening on the wrong side because the adhesive is so powerful. Guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but there's like, oh my god, there's a fly. Okay, anyways, here's Chopper, and Chopper is actually my husband's favorite character, so I'll probably put this on his desk. Here's Luffy, so cute. I feel like you really can't hate Luffy. He's got a special place in every One Piece watcher's hearts. Nami looks so cute. And I will say, these figures, they're like, I think they're made of rubber or something. If you can tell, they're pretty rubbery. They're pretty hard to put on the stands. I have to put a good amount of force to get them on there, and I don't think I've broken any, but it's really hard to tell like how much pressure you should be pushing down to get them into the pegs. Just wanted to update you guys that the second layer of this display case has now been filled. I know what you're all thinking. What's that One Piece figure I've been staring at all video in the background? Well, if you must ask. This right here was made by Sakita Studio Cindy for my birthday, on my birthday, given to me for my birthday, made for my birthday. And it's just the best figure ever. This is like one of the best gifts I've ever received. It's so cute. Unfortunately, we need to end the video here because there's been a fly buzzing around my head throughout the entirety of this video, and I need to either set him free or kill him. And because I don't have any way to kill him, I will need to set him free now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!